everyone, welcome to Open University Lipes. We are ECE students. Today we have many stories to share with you. Hope you like it. Now we will start. Once upon a time, there was a princess who lived in a castle with her lovely family.
Wee! Let's play, Mom.
The little princess loves getting dirty. She likes to play in the garden.
Wow! Look, Mom. There are so many flowers in our garden.
Yes, dear, they smell good too.
Can I touch this flower, please?
Yes, but be gentle, don't pick them up.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, princess, it's so late. Let's go home.
Okay.
Oh, princess, your hands are so dirty. Wash your hands.
Why do I have to wash my hands, Mom?
Oh, because you were playing outside.
Playing outside?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go wash my hands now.
Good girl.
Yay, done.
Do you wash your hand after playing outside? The princess now comes to the living room to see her father.
Achoo! Bless you, darling.
Thanks, Dad.
Now, can you please go wash your hands because you sneeze?
But why do I have to wash my hands again? I have already washed them.
We wash our hands after sneezing, coughing, and blowing our nose.
Okay, Dad, if you say so.
The king takes the princess to washing area. The princess washes her hand quickly without drying them.
Stop, princess. Dry
Why?
your hands first. They're still wet.
Okay, Dad.
Do you wash your hand after sneezing? The princess is now playing with her toys. The chef comes with a mooncake to the princess.
Yummy mooncake!
Oh no, stop, little princess. Please wash your hand.
But why? I have already washed my hands 2 times.
We don't eat with dirty hands. You have been playing with toys.
Toys? Are they dirty?
Yes, they are dirty. Come on, let's wash your hands. Remember to use the soap and make bubbles.
Okay.
Good job, princess. Now you can have the mooncake.
Yummy mooncake. Yum, 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 yum.
Do you want to learn how to make the mooncake?
Yes, they taste delicious. I would love to learn how to make them.
Sure, your sister can make one as she enjoys cooking, so let's invite her as well.
Sure. Princess Sarah, can you please help us making mooncakes?
Hello, little sister. Hello, chef. Sure, let's invite our parents as well.
Yay! Mommy, Daddy, can you please help us making mooncakes?
Haha, why not, dear?
But why do we eat mooncake today?
Let me tell you why we eat mooncakes.
King and queen are telling the princess, during the Mid-Autumn festival, when there is a full moon in the sky, all the family members gather together and eat the mooncake while watching the full moon.
Your Highness, let's make the mooncake together.
Yay!
Children, let's make the mooncake together. These are the ingredients we needed to make the mooncake. First, we need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, and spread flour in case our dough gets sticky, and food coloring and mooncake presser. First, we start up by adding 1 cup of flour in a bowl and mix it together. Can we take out our hands?
Yes.
Let's knead the dough together. Let's add extra flour in it and add color to make our mooncake look more colorful. And make it 2 sections into separate section. Yeah, yeah. Make it into a round shape. Now let's use the mooncake presser to make the shape of it. Princess, can you press it for me?
Yeah, sure. Wow, it looks nice.
Princess, can you help me too?
Sure. Here.
Princess, help me. Your mommy and daddy as well. Thank you.
Pew. Wow, they're done.
Wow, our colorful mooncakes are ready to bake.
Yay.
Now the chef and the family are going back to the kitchen to bake the yummy mooncakes. There are many different flavors of the mooncake. Do you like eating mooncake? Princess Sarah is tidying up her room while little princess comes to see her.
Hi, I'm so bored. I want to do something fun, but what can I do?
Oh, little princess, why do you look so sad?
I'm not sad. I'm just bored. What are you doing here?
Oh, I'm just folding up my clothes.
That looks fun. Can I help you as well?
Sure.
Yay.
Princess Anna is bored and is helping Princess Sarah. Let's see what happened next.
All my clothes are folded now. Thank you, little sister, for your help. Oh, sweetie, since you just touched my shoes, can you go please wash your hands?
But why? I'm not gonna wash my hands anymore. I have already washed them so many times. I don't see any dirt on them.
Now, don't be upset, princess. Let me tell you why washing hands is so important. It's because of the germs and the nasties.
Germs and nasties? What's that?
They are horrible. They live in the dirt and in the sneezes. They can get into your food and then into your tummy. They are so horrible, they can make you sick.
Oh no, what do the germs look like?
Scarier than the crocodile.
I don't see any crocodile on my hand.
Because germs are too small to see. Let me show you how they look like.
Sure. I should better go wash my hands now.
That's like a good girl.
Do I have to wash my hands after washing them?
Don't be silly. Let's go have lunch now.
Sure.
Princess Anna understood why it's important to wash her hands. Now she will have a happy meal with her family. Now let's invite all the people living in the castle to show us how to wash our hands.
Wash your hands, do-do-do-do. Wash your hands, do-do-do-do. Wash your hands, do-do-do-do. Wash your hands. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do. Grab some soap. Rub your hands, do-do-do-do. Rub your hands, do-do-do-do. Rub your hands, do-do-do-do. Rub your hands. Rinse your hands, do-do-do-do. Rinse your hands, do-do-do-do. Rinse your hands, do-do-do-do. Rinse your hands. Dry your hands, do-do-do-do. Dry your hands, do-do-do-do. Dry your hands, do-do-do-do. Dry your hands. Safe at last, do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do. Safe at last. Let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do. Let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do. Let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do. Let's stay healthy.
I hope you have learned the way of washing hands.
That's the end of our story. Hope you like it. Thank you.